Yes, my people. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, okay. Let's open it up. Woo! Come on. The big MT-10. Okay, my people. We are going to be going to Sondel Yamaha. Oh shit, this guy is in a rush. And we are going to be getting some accessories and upgrades done, my guy. I haven't really done many trips on it, not many. I still haven't really opened it up yet, like really tested it. One, because I'm still on new tires and I ain't got the frame sliders on yet. Oh, that sounds beautiful. And guys, once we get an exhaust on this, all the rest, they will be insane. I'm still in like traction control mode, like 4 or 5. I'm still in wet mode. Oh look, nice little bird. I mean the flying one. Haha! The bike is so much torque, so much power, even in wet mode, right? Even in rain mode, yeah? When I put her in wet mode, oh dear, yeah. When I put her in that mode, there is still more power than the MT-07, right? Hitting them 12 o'clocks on the highway, which I ain't gonna be doing because we don't wheelie, we drive safely. If you're doing that, he's saying literally it'll be perfect. Perfecto. Because he weren't advising it, nowhere near advising it, but he was just saying like highway is in like on the track highway, you know? Nice little overtake here. Ooh, that sounds good. Okay, so this is what I'm planning. I'm booked in for frame sliders. The main ones, front and back. Then also, I've got strobe effect, that's a nice little Aston there, strobe effect indicators at the back, but I've got flashing at the front, so hopefully I can get them done. I also want to put in my mirrors, the radiator guards as well, hopefully. And with the radiator guards, I've got one that looks sick, right? You'll see it when it's on, yeah? But it's got the MT-10 logo in it, so that means the radiator guards, they got the little holes to protect it from the stones, but then at a certain point there is a big hole in the middle because of the logo. And guys, these tires, the mechanic from Sunday was telling me these tires that I've got Bridgestones on. He said these are shit. He said these are dog shit already, yeah. I never had this with my 07, not one point. The tyres already fishtailing, they're already skidding at the back, like slipping out already. I don't know if it's because it's super cold and these tyres are basically new. I've never had that before, so it could be the cold weather, it could be a lot of things. It could be a big factor of things. But open it up, open up. Ooh! Ooh! Yo! This has got some power to it. And I forgot, guys, I got a quick shifter. Oh my days, this bike is fucking amazing. Come on, bro, what you doing, bro? What you doing? Oh, with an exhaust. Let's open it up. Oh my days! Yo, that was amazing. Amazing. All right, downshift. Oh, with the quick shifter, with the quick shifter. But guys, look, it does look very, very nice in the all black. There's the one in the green, there's the one in the black.
I think that looks very nice, but with that, I think I probably would have got bored of it, because the green wheels, I probably would have got annoyed. I probably would have. But it looks sick to just look at for about half hour. But I feel like lifetime, for a long time, they're all black, man. They're all black. and I just got to do a nice little bit of cleaning there, a few upgrades, and it will look spectacular. Here is the lineup. We've got a Tracer 9 XSR, I think that is a 700, MT-10, Siren Storm, MT-09, new model with the facelift. Here's the old face. Now, I prefer this one. The gen before this one is pretty sick as well, but I prefer this one. Compared to this one, I don't think it looks as nice. I feel like it looks more like Iron Man when he escapes the bunker. We also have this Tenier 700. They look like massive bikes. Love an X-Max. Got a Hornet, a Ninja 636, old school shape. Raoul just turned this on for me, and the race fit exhaust is insane. It's between two other exhausts. It's between the race fit. Comment which exhaust you guys think I should get. Honestly, that was loud as waiting for the upgrades to be done. I reckon it's gonna look fucking sick. Obviously we've got the radiator guard, frame sliders. Was gonna get the indicators done, but we are gonna get that done afterwards. Nice little 125, and then once that's all completed, it should look sick. So transition. Woo.
Guys, the upgrades, the little touches look sick. So we got the RNG frame sliders at the front. Not even at the front, like, I don't even know what this is called, but we got them there. It looks sick. Don't worry about the dirt, we're gonna clean it. Got the Savage frame sliders at the back, Savage frame sliders at the front. Don't worry about, yeah, shit, I need to trim. But Savage frame sliders at the front, that looks fucking sick. The new wing mirrors, they look like winglets. Look, and then this is how it goes. Look, let me show you from this side. Oh, that looks cold. That looks fucking cold. Oh, and then we've got the stock exhaust. We're going to change that. We are going to change that, and we've also got this. So for all the people that are like, yo, trickle charge on all my old videos, we have now got that. So that is so that I can plug in the trickle charger, maintain the battery, and also, because it's going to be in the garage, maintain the battery and also plug it in if it is flat and then charge it up. So they are the upgrades. And then look at it from the back, like from the cockpit view. That looks sick with these little winglets here. Jeez. I don't know if I'll be able to see anything, but that looks sick. Whoo, that looks sick, sick, sick. Teddy bear, teddy bear. I'll give you guys a chat line. I lost my teddy. Can I sleep with you tonight? What else is sick is the fact that this is so you can hear the engine. Ooh, nice. I like it. I fucking like it. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. Whew, let's do it. And I'm gonna get a cold start going for you guys. I actually forgot to show you one other thing. The new radiator guard and coolant guard, the new MT-10 one at the bottom, all black, looks sick. And then I might have to use a different video for this, but if you look in there, we've got the MT-10, or the, is it MT logo, and then it says MT-10 at the bottom. Now when I was buying this, I thought this looks fucking sick, right? But then I thought it was a bad idea, because if you look, there's a big fuck off hole in the middle. So if stones do come up, hopefully it hits this little line there, or the side, because otherwise that fuck off hole is just going to get hit by the stones. So it's going to be good, but that still looks very sick. Once we give everything a clean, this is going to look insane. And we're also going to get the blinkers done to match the back ones. So these ones are strobe effect, and then these are flashing. But yeah, this is sick, man. Woo! That dash never gets old. That is sexy, boy. Oh, when we get an exhaust, this is gonna sound sick. This is gonna sound so sick when we get an exhaust. This is the indicators at the front. flashing, and then this is them at the back. See how it strobes? I should be able to see. I can just about see. Just about. Yeah, that looks cool. That's crazy, a zip at the back of that jacket. With the new mods, we're still going to take it very easy because we are on the Bridgestones. Ooh! Come on, hey, I feel very confident now I got the frame sliders on, boy. Hey! Hey! I don't know why I feel so confident now, bro. Oh my days. Now this is a big boy thing. What? Alright guys, the power. Hey, I'm still in, yeah? I'm still in mode, like wet mode or whatever it is, yeah? I'm gonna take this onto the A2 for you boys. Jeez! Well, that's the way we're going anyway, but I'm gonna take it the other way. Yo, there's so much power in this. Woo! Why am I so confident now that I've got these frame sliders on, honestly? Nah, I need to relax because I've got this crazy confidence. Hey, I've got some confidence. Hey guys, this ride is sweet. Even though the weather is really cold, that looks like undies. That's not. Even though the weather is really cold, this is such a beautiful ride. I'm going past all of these people, bro. Oh, should I take you onto the A2 or should I take you on a nice little ride through the town, bro? No, we're gonna hit the highway, bro. Let me open it up here with the quick shifter. Alright, here we go, guys. Woo! Come on. Wow, bro. Oh, so you don't need to downshift. We're about to hit that. We're about to hit them highway speeds, boy. Woo! Come on. Big boy MT-10. Come on. Yeah. Alright, let's keep up with the traffic. Alright, this is going to be probably the fastest I've ever got it to. Have I got undies behind me? Quick shifter. Woo! Yo, these wing mirrors, I can't see shit though. Honestly, I can't see anything. This bike here feels like there's so much presence to it. Like, I'm on the highway. Oh shit, I forgot to do up my helmet. I'm on this dual carriageway, right? And it feels like the bike is steady. Whereas on my 07, it felt like I was still being pushed around. With this, like, you feel like you can really... Woo! Come on. Oh my days! Guys, this pull's insane. The pull on this is insane. Look. Woo! Guys, the way how this pulls is mad. Like, I'm not even really twisting the throttle that much, and it is pulling as if there is no tomorrow. Oh guys, that was well sick. Oh, there's fed up there. Let me go this way. I'm going this way, guys. Yeah, so guys, let me just quickly talk about that. The pull on this, it was amazing. And you know what, even in wet mode, it still feels like there's more power to it than my MT-07. So that's, if anyone's thinking, you know what, let me jump from, let's say a 125 or 300 straight to a litre bike rather than an 07 or an 09, you can definitely feel the difference. I want to see how this is gonna really, not yet, I'm not even broken in the tires yet. I feel a lot more confident now that I've got frame sliders on it, but I still need to remember that these are new tires. I still ain't done even 100 miles yet. At this roundabout, the second roundabout, I'm gonna go right. But guys, make sure to check out the next video. I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to check out the next video. It's gonna be fucking sick. I don't know if I'll have an exhaust by then, but you'll have to come and check it out. And yeah, man, got some new upgrades done. I will do a walk around video of all the upgrades. You will see that when the bike is cleaned, and it will be a fucking sick video, man. Yeah, so stay tuned.